All right, what's up, y'all? So it is day 14 after my second hair transplant, and here's what it's looking like. I got all of the scabs out, so there should not be any more remaining. Um, I have just started finasteride again and minoxidil. I started those a few days ago after the scabs went away because I didn't want to put any type of like products on the scabs other than a little bit of shampoo and conditioner. So I did that, but yeah, this is day 14. So obviously your day 14 is not gonna look like this if you haven't had a previous hair transplant. So because this is my second hair transplant, you can see that I have the hairs from before, and then the new hairs that they put in the second time, those are gonna come, I guess 2 to 3 months in, I'll start seeing those. But I did just wanna show you guys, I do have a little bit of shock loss. So you can see like right here, I have a little bit of shock loss. And also in the back, I can feel some shock loss. I had it last time, so I'm not too worried about it. Um, so I'm just gonna try to rotate and you guys maybe can see it. Okay, and then I'm gonna show this side as well. So like I said, I'm not too concerned about it. I had it really bad last time. Like the back of my head has so many patches, and I thought it was because HRS had over harvested my donor area, but it's just me. You may not have this type of shock loss, but I have a form of alopecia and I've had it since I was a child. When I was a child, I used to just have these like bald spots in the back of my head, and eventually they went away until now, or till I had a hair transplant. So I guess just the stress and trauma from the surgery is just taking out a little bit of the hair that I have in the back. But I'm like I said, I'm not worried. It's happened before, and they will grow back, and hopefully they grow back even quicker because last time I was not using minoxidil, but this time I am using minoxidil and finasteride. So I believe that the hair should grow back in a few weeks, and it shouldn't be much of an issue. I am a little self-conscious about it, so I don't know what I'm gonna do as far as like going out. I don't know if I'm gonna just wear a do-rag or a hat or just I don't know. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I might just shave my head because you can shave your head 2 weeks after the hair transplant, but I was just trying to be extra precautious. But if it gets really bad, I might shave my head in a week or two just to give it a month to heal. I'm not going to shave this transplanted area because I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing that, but I definitely might shave my actual hair down, and that way the shock loss is not as noticeable. But yeah, that's all I wanted to tell you guys, is just show you guys the day 14 of the second hair transplant update. Is there anything else I need to tell you guys? Oh, I guess the biggest difficulty the first 2 weeks was sleeping. So make sure you get you one of those travel pillows that goes around your neck, because you have to sleep at a 45-degree angle for the first 5 nights. So make sure you're mentally prepared for that. I sleep pretty flat, so it was a big adjustment for me. But yeah, if you're getting a hair transplant, just make sure you know you have to be upright for 5 nights. And yeah, get yourself a travel pillow, some sleeping pills, do what you can because you want to make sure them follicles, you want to make sure them follicles stay on your head. But okay, guys, yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. Day 14, just giving y'all an update, and I'll be back. I don't know when I'm going to be back, but hopefully at the month mark, I will be back with another video to update you guys.